cleaning solar panels, roofs or building facades, you'll know how a heavy lance can make the job a lot harder than it needs to be. That's why Suttner have developed this carbon fibre lightweight telescopic lance. The carbon fibre significantly reduces the weight of the lance whilst maintaining stability. 7 high quality quick release clamps make this lance easily extendable up to 11.5 metres. It has a maximum pressure rating of 275 bar and a temperature rating of 100 degrees.